There is one thing I do every single night when I lay down in bed and before I sleep. It not only helps to support my lifted face, but also release all the tension that built up during the day on my forehead and my scalp. And the best part is I sleep so much better if I do this before I fall asleep. You use any crochet that you have, or you can use your fingers. You massage from your temples, lift up, make it strong, up to your scalp. I like to do it really strong for this area, just like a mini facelift, when you lift up this area. If you do it every day, it's really help to maintain your lifted face. It support your lifted brows and open up your eyes as well. I like to do it strong, so I normally use a crochet. Lift up this area. If your crochet have this size, use it for your scalp. You can also use this if you don't have this. Release all tension on your scalp. If you have the acupuncture point, use it. Release tension in here. It supports lymphatic around your eye, lifting up your eyebrow and open up your eye. You feel the lymph node right here? It's tiny little bit painful, but it's still good. It's so good. Try this tonight. You see how amazing it feels when you release tension in your eye area, your forehead, and your scalp, especially in the both sides of your temple, to lift and tone your face. It's amazing. By the way, this is a new crochet that I personally designed it. It's like a complete crochet that you have the acupuncture point, you have this size for the body, for your scalp, you have this for your face. It's like a common heart-shaped crochet. You have this size for your body, but for the bigger surface, like your cheeks, your neck. I designed this crochet because when I travel, I have the problem. I have to bring 3 or 4 crochet to have different angle. With this, I have everything in one. Totally love it. So try this. This week, we still applying 40% off for everything on the website. So grab one before it's gone.